Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to this channel. My name is Jacob, and if you are struggling with Revit or ArchiCAD, then go check out the content here and let me know what you think. I've tried to make it as easy as possible by splitting it into long formatted videos and short formatted videos. Now, the long formatted videos are perfect for you guys who are looking for more in-depth, well-rounded sources of knowledge so that you can really understand what these programs have to offer. And then on the other hand, I have the short formatted videos for those people who don't really care about the antics and you just want to absorb the knowledge and get on with it so you can finish a project and reach whatever deadlines you're working towards. Now, if you do not find the content that you're looking for, please just comment in this video below or go to one of my social media platforms, which you can find in the description of this video, and let me know what you're after. That way I will be able to know what content you guys are in search for so I can help you get on your way. Now, if you do subscribe to the channel, you can not only look forward to ArchiCAD and Revit content, but I will be releasing some rendering based programs and helping you guys understand how to install, set up, and then use these things so that you can really gloss up your projects and make them look fantastic. So if you're interested in any of those programs, just let me know so that I can know which one to start with and get that content out for you guys. Now, I appreciate you guys watching this introduction, and as always, I hope you find what you're looking for so that you can spend more time creating and less time crying. Thanks everybody, ciao for now. See you in the next video. Let's go.